It is normal for an air conditioning unit to look worn after cleaning, even when it is performing well. An exterior finish will often fade or show light scratches from weather exposure and routine maintenance, and that cosmetic wear does not usually impact cooling performance. Focus on removing visible dirt, leaves, and debris from the intake grill and the base of the unit, because those obstructions reduce airflow and stress the compressor. Clean the condenser coils using a manufacturer-approved coil cleaner, sprayed gently from the top down, and rinse with low-pressure water to avoid bending fins. If fins are bent, use a fin comb to straighten them slowly, aligning comb teeth to the fin spacing. Make sure the unit is disconnected from power at the breaker before touching wiring, and only clear electrical connections with the switch off. For anything beyond simple tightening, call a licensed technician. Check condensate drain lines for clogs by flushing with distilled white vinegar and warm water to prevent backups that can trigger safety shutoffs. Finally, run the system after cleaning and verify steady airflow at vents and stable temperatures to confirm no performance issues remain. Common concerns include mistaking cosmetic discoloration for functional damage, which you can address by explaining that paint fade or light corrosion on the cabinet surface does not reduce heat transfer. Inspect coils and fan for true problems. Another issue is residual debris left in fins or around the fan, which will reduce efficiency. Resolve this by physically removing leaves and using a soft brush or vacuum to clear trapped material before testing the unit. People also worry about bending coil fins while cleaning, which can restrict airflow. Use a fin comb or call a technician if many fins are damaged, and avoid high-pressure washing or scraping that can deform fins further. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like air conditioning maintenance, so we can find local professionals and read community feedback before deciding who to hire. We also host a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and help each other troubleshoot appearance versus performance concerns.